Hey y'all. Okay, so this video tutorial is going to show you how to create the About Me page that's on the Ellie Jane demo site. So to get started, if you don't have an About page yet, log into your WordPress site, click on Pages, and then click on Add New. From here, you want to give it a title. You can call it About Me or just About. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this plus icon, and we're going to type in cover. Oops. And you can choose any of these colors if you like. I'm going to choose this light tan color. And then from here, we also want to add, let me see if I can get it to work for me. Oh, there it is. Okay, I want that plus icon, and I'm going to type in columns. I'm going to click here because I already have columns, but if you don't see columns, just type it in here, and then you can click on that block. I want to use a block that, or sorry, a column that has 2, and it's going to be 50-50. On the left side is going to be the paragraph. So for now, I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to copy these words, and you would put whatever word you want on your own page, your About Me page. But I'm going to copy this for now. And I'm going to click on paragraph, and I'm going to paste those words. And you can see that they're white. So to change those colors, I'm going to click on, make sure you're on this wheel icon, click on block, color settings, where it says text color. I'm going to choose this black color. And I'm going to do it for each block. And then one more down here. Okay, this one is using a heading instead of a paragraph. It has an H3. So to add a heading, if yours doesn't come out, see how these words are bigger and different, the font is different than this one. If you don't see that, all you have to do is click over here. Oh, this one goes to, so let's say this is what you saw at first. If this is what you see and you want to change that to the different font and that's larger, just click on heading, and then you can change, you have different heading sizes here. So I'm going to pick the H3, and I'm going to change the text color to the black. And so that's how you would set that heading here. On the right side of the About Me page is an image. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, click on image. I'm going to go to my media library. You can either upload a new image here or choose one that's already on your site. So the one I'm using on the demo site is this one. So I'm going to click select, and then you can see it's there. So right below this is this section here. This is 3 features on the Ellie Jane thing. You can use this section here for fun facts about you, something like that. So to add that, I'm going to click on this plus icon in this white space down here. I'm going to click on heading. And then I'm going to copy this. And again, you would just give it whatever heading and title you want it to be. But for now, I'm just going to copy what's on the demo site. I'm going to paste it. I also want to make this center, so I'm going to change the alignment to center. And then these 3 are set up using columns again. And this time, instead of 2 columns, we're going to use 3 columns. So if you don't see the column block, type in columns here and you'll find it. So I'm just going to click on the column block. I want to choose 3 that are evenly spaced. And I'm going to copy each one of these to save some time. Oh, that didn't work. Let's change that back to paragraph. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, to save some time, I'm just going to use the same words. And it's not working right. I'm sorry about that. Okay, there we go. This one is another cover column, or sorry, cover block. but I'm using an image instead of the background color that you see here. So I'm going to click on cover and I'm going to choose media library. And I think the image I'm using here is the one with the puppy dog. So I'm going to click on the puppy dog image and click select. I also want to click inside this image because I want to make it completely full width from left to right. So I'm going to click there. So what I used for this About Me page is just a quote, and you can add a quote if you want to, or more information about yourself or your services. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to change this to a quote. Oh, that didn't work. I'm just going to type it in here. And then over here on the right side, you can change the size of your words. So I'm going to change this. Let's go to 30. Okay, I like that. And then right below that is the author's name. I'm going to center align that. I also want to change this to a heading instead of a paragraph and center align it as well. There you go. So then after the quote is another column block with an image on the left and text on the right. So just click on columns. I'm going to use the 50-50, the 2 columns, and then same way you add an image and then you add a paragraph. So that's how I created the About Me page. So then if we click preview, oh, one other thing is to make it full width. You'd click on the Genesis icon and then where it says layout, choose full width. I'm going to click preview. And there you go. That's how the About Me page is created on the Ellie Jane site, demo site.